Containing the p block elements structure, that group 17 elements commonly called halogens. The elements of the group 17 are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and acetylene. And the collectively called group 17 elements are halogens. According to Greek word, halo means salt, zen means born, born means produces, salt produces. Halogens means salt produces, because halogens means group 17 elements, fluorine or chlorine. For example, chlorine reacts with the group 1 element sodium to form NaCl. NaCl is a salt. Like that, halogens are forms salt. Salt produces. And among the halogens, all the elements are non-metallic. All the elements are highly related non-metallic elements. And last one, that is acetylene, is the radioactive in nature. There is no any metal. Occurrence of group 17 elements. First one, fluorine is present mainly in the insoluble fluorides. Example, fluorospar as a CaF2, calcium chloride. Fluorospar, fluorine is present as a diatomic, F2. Like cryolite, Na2Al F3. Here it is also containing F in the form of insoluble. Fluorospar, cryolite and fluoroapatite. Fluoroapatite, it is containing fluoride. Fluoroapatite, these are the insoluble fluorides. Soluble is present in the form of insoluble fluoride, and it is also present in small quantities. Small quantities in the soil and river water, plants and bones and teeth of animals. It is containing the small quantity of fluoride. And seawater contains chlorides, bromides, iodides of sodium, potassium, magnesium and calcium, but mainly contains NaCl, sodium chloride, about 2.5% by mass. And sodium chloride is more compared to all other elements. Sodium chloride means chloride is present in the sea water, about 2.5% of mass. And deposits of the dried up seas contains these compounds like NaCl and carbonate KCl, MgCl2, water, hexahydrate. The deposits of the dried up seas contain these compounds like sodium chloride and KCl, MgCl2, carbonate and sodium chloride. And marine lime, samudra jeevi, marine lime contains iodine in the form of their systems. For example, various seaweeds, samudra kadai, 0.5% of iodide, and Chile salt petrel, it is containing 0.2% of sodium iodate. Iodine is present in the form of their system. Iodate 0. up to 0.2% is present in the Chile salt petrel. And first, atomic properties, electronic configuration. General electronic configuration of the group 17 elements is NH2np5. 2 s orbitals, 5 p orbitals, where n is principal quantum number, suborbital, s orbital and p orbital. They are called the p penultimate cell, p5. One electron is less than that of the complete p orbital. ns2 np6 means all the completely filled s orbitals. Completely filled s orbitals 1 and 2. One orbital containing 2 electrons. Completely filled s orbitals. And p orbitals are 3, 1, 2, 3. But it is containing 5 means 1 electron. One orbital first singly occupied electrons and then get paired 3, 4 and 5. 1 electron is required to complete the p orbital. General electronic configuration of group 17 elements. All the group 17 elements are halogens for ns2 np5. Here n is equal to 2. Here n is equal to 3. Here n is 4. N is equal to 5. N is 6. Means period. Second period, third period, fourth period, sixth period, seventh period. Quantum number. Principle of quantum number. Fluorine having atomic number 9. Helium follows. Helium followed by helium means 1s2, 1s1, 1s2. 1s2 electronic configuration. 1s2 means 2 plus 5. 9. Atomic number 9. 1s1, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Chlorine, symbol Cl, and atomic number 17. And it is followed by neon electronic configuration. Neon means 10. 10 plus 7. 3s2, 3p5. Last electron. Here n is equal to 2, 3s2, 2p5. Here n is equal to 3 means 3s2, 3p5. Follow the same general electronic configuration. Third one is third element in the group 17 element. Bromine, symbol Br. Atomic number 35. Argon followed by argon 18. 18 plus complete electronic configuration. 3 to 10 to make 35. 3d10, 4s2, 4p5. Here entered d orbitals, 3d orbitals, and 4s2, 4p5, and is equal to 4. Let's call quantum number 4. It falls on the fourth period. Iodine, symbol I, atomic number 53. Electronic configuration, krypton followed by 4d10. Here 3d, here entered 4d orbital, completely filled 4d orbitals. D orbitals are 5. Completely filled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Completely filled 3d, 4d orbital. Here completely filled 3d orbitals. Here 5d plus 4d. And last one as time, atomic number 85. Xenon electronic configuration followed by 4f14. 4f14. F orbitals are 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One orbital containing 2 electrons. 4f14 and 5d10, 6s2, 6p5. But last electronic configuration, last p orbital is having follows ns2 and np5, so that these are all group 17 elements. And fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, these are all non-metals. Non-metals. Last question is radioactive image. second atomic property is atomic radius and ionic radius. Commonly called as atomic and ionic radii. Radius singular, radial plural. Halogens have the smallest atomic radii in their respective periods 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 periods due to the maximum effective nuclear charge, because the nuclear charge is increases at the left side of the periodic table. Isn't it? As the maximum effective nuclear charge increases, halogens have the smallest atomic size. Atomic and ionic radii increases down the road. Atomic and ionic radii increases down the road from fluorine, bromine and iodine. Atomic and ionic radius is increases. Increases down the road from fluorine to iodine due to the increasing number of cells. Due to the increasing number of cells means fluorine is forms at the N2 second period, third period, bromine fourth and fifth period. As the cells increasing the number of cells increases and increasing the atomic and ionic radii from fluorine to iodine. Next one, ionization enthalpy. What is ionization enthalpy? The minimum energy required to remove the outermost electron. The halogens have little tendency to lose electron. Thus, they have very high ionization enthalpy. Very high ionization enthalpy due to increasing atomic size. Fluorine and the next fluorine, bromine and iodine. Increasing the atomic size, ionization enthalpy decreases down the road. Ionization enthalpy decreases down the road. Fourth one, electron gain enthalpy. To require one electron to make noble gases, because electron gain enthalpy of halogens general formula Ns2np5. Electron gain, if they gain one electron from other atoms, it forms Ns2np6 noble gas configuration. So that halogens have minimum negative electron gain enthalpy due to halogens have smaller size and high effective nuclear charge. Smaller size and high effective nuclear charge. They readily accept one electron to acquire noble gas configuration. If you add one electron, they readily accept one electron to form noble gas configuration. According to electron gain enthalpy, chlorine is the most electron gain enthalpy compared to all other members of the halogens. See, fluorine is less than that of chlorine and chlorine is more than bromine and iodine. Why it is chlorine has having the more electron gain enthalpy. In the fluorine, due to the smaller size, compare all halogen atoms, fluorine is the least atomic number. Due to the smaller size of fluorine, there is a inter-electron repulsions of in the 2p orbital, 2p5 orbitals in the fluorine. P5. electronic repulsions in the 2p orbitals of the fluorine. Thus, incoming electron does not experience much attraction, so that negative electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less than chlorine. So chlorine is the most electron gain enthalpy. Look at one atomic property in the group 17 elements or halogens. Electronegativity. Halogens have very high electronegativity, and electronegativity decreases down the group like atomic and ionic radii. Most electronegative element in the overall periodic table, fluorine. In the halogens, also fluorine is most electronegative compared to rest of the elements. Now the physical properties of halogens, group 17 elements. Fluorine, chlorine are gases, and bromine is a liquid. Bromine is only the non-metal present in the liquid state, and iodine is a solid. Fluorine, chlorine are gases, bromine in liquid, iodine in solid state. The melting point and boiling points of halogens are steadily increases with the atomic number increases. As atomic number increases, boiling points and melting points are also increases. Third one, the halogens are colored. They have a specific color. Why they are colored? This is due to the reason absorption of radiations in the visible region, that is required. Absorption of radiations in the visible region, halogens show colors, which results in the excitation of outer electrons to higher energy levels. After absorption of radiation, the ground electron state, loosely bonded electron in the ground state, will enter into the higher energy level. Excitement of outer orbitals to the higher energy level, it shows colors. For example, fluorine is yellow in color, F2 molecule. In a yellow color, chlorine molecule is a greenish yellow in color, and bromine is in red color, iodine is in violet color. And next property is fluorine and chlorines. Fluorine and chlorines react with water. They are soluble with water, and bromine and iodine are only sparingly soluble in water. They are completely soluble. Chlorines and chlorines react mixed with the water. They are completely soluble, but bromine and iodines are sparingly soluble in water, but are soluble in organic solvents like chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, and hydrocarbons, carbon disulfide, etc. After soluble 2 gives, the rest